How to make blueberry ice cream. First, start by adding 1 cup of milk or milk substitute. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey or other sugar substitute. Finally, add 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. Last, add 4 cups of ice. If you use frozen fruit, reduce the amount of ice. With the Blendtec, push the ice cream button. With the Vitamix, start on speed 1, turn the machine on, and slowly increase to speed 10. Then flip it to high. Use a tamper to press the ingredients into the blade. Blend until you see a star shape form at the top. This is the sweetest way to add this superfood to your diet.